Hello Minjoo, I am making for you short video presentation. So we have here journal with colored schemes, USB flash drive with all lessons, video tutorials, PDF lessons with colored schemes and instructions in English. Also this crochet hook 1.7 millimeters and fabric pattern specially designed for you. I will show you like this it looks. It's for this dress in your size, yes. Fabric pattern. After we have 1000 grams of Italian viscose, ivory, this matte turquoise and bright turquoise, more intensive. In total 1000 grams and additional threads. I just received them, so each ball has 50 grams. So I am sending you 200 grams additional. And I want to say that this thread is not so thin like this Italian viscose. Just you need to use only one thread when you are working with this crochet hook 1.7 millimeters. I didn't use this thread for elements, but if you like it, you can try to make some elements and you can make some experiments and maybe you will like it. You will try. So now about motifs. First of all, we have wedges. They are the most difficult. And in our dress, we have big wedge and you have it ready. Next, we have two small wedges in our composition and you have first one and second one is also ready. So you don't have to make them. After we have beautiful these leaves, we should use them at the upper part of this dress. So you have two ready with awesome design. Next we have flowers, big flowers, different design with 3 petals, with 2 petals, also small flowers like this with different color design, small leaves and flowers also like this. After we have this lace ribbon, it's really long, 34 small leaves, and I made transition of colors. So this fringe, this lace ribbon, I call it level 1. You will see it in lesson number 2, and when you will use it for your composition, you will see length is okay, or maybe it's too small for your dress. If this will be too small, just you will join thread here and continue to make the same leaves. You will see how many you need, maybe 2, maybe 4, maybe this size will be okay for you, just you will try. And what I want to say, from here, from this first lace ribbon, you can see how I changed colors, and right now I think you can make more like this leaves where you have joined colors. For example, we can make 2 or 3 like this, will be really nice. Next 2 or 3 like this, and will be much more better than this because this is very short transition of colors, I think, right now. Like this right now. These 2 colors, they are very close, so just think about this part. You can make it longer, yes, and this transition will be more slow and I think more interesting and more beautiful. So for this dress, you need 3 lace ribbons, and you will see this all information in video tutorials and PDF lesson. Difference is in length, and also difference is a little bit in design. You will see this. And I made for you additional video tutorial about how to use all these threads, where you need to join 4 threads together, where 3, and how to change colors I also showed. So you will get a link to watch this video tutorial as many times as you need. This video will be available for you all this time. So everything is ready to send. It's really beautiful and very interesting kit, I think, and I'm sure you can create a really special dress Lil by using these colors and these threads. Also, you can count on my support. Just you can send me your questions during your work and I will gladly help you. So right now I will pack everything and send you package by UPS delivery company. Once again, thank you so much for your order. And yes, this was really interesting challenge. And thank you for this idea with colors. It was really nice idea. Thanks, and I wish you beautiful results. Thank you for watching and bye-bye for now.